Someone pointed to the front door. "Who is that?" "There is something about her," said the prince to himself. "I will ask her to dance." And he walked over to Cinderella. "Have we met?" said the prince. "I am pleased to meet you now," said Cinderella with a bow. "I feel as if I know you," said the prince, "but of course that is impossible." "Many things are possible," said Cinderella, "if you wish it to be true." But all the prince could see was Cinderella. They laughed and talked, and they danced some more. In fact, they danced for so long that Cinderella did not see the clock. "Dong," said the clock. Cinderella looked up. Dong went the clock again. She looked up again. "Oh my!" she cried out. "It is almost midnight." Dong rung the clock. "Why does that matter?" said the prince. "Dong," called the clock. "I must go," said Cinderella. "I must go," said Cinderella. She ran to the steps. "Dong," said the clock. "I cannot hear you," said the prince. "The clock is too loud." "Goodbye," said Cinderella. Up the stairs she ran. "Please stop for a moment," said the prince. "Oh dear," she said, as one glass slipper fell off her foot on the stair. But Cinderella kept running up. "Wait," called the prince. He picked up her glass slipper and rushed out the door. He looked around but could not see her. "This is all I have left from her," he said. Looking down at the glass slipper, he saw that it was made in a special way to fit a foot like none other.